In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your updated business name shows up across your assets in a clean, consistent way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. This is the centralized dashboard for managing your Facebook and Instagram business assets, so it's the right place to make official name changes. In the search results, look for the official Meta or Facebook business link. It typically appears as business.facebook.com or business.meta.com. Click the legitimate result to open the suite. If you ever feel unsure, check that the URL is secure and that it belongs to Meta. When the page loads, log in using Facebook or Instagram. Use the account that actually owns or has access to the business you want to edit. If you manage multiple businesses, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding. You may see quick prompts or security checks. Follow any on-screen directions so you can move forward. Once you're in, go to Settings. You'll usually find settings in the left-hand sidebar or behind a gear icon. This is where you'll manage core details for your business presence. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Meta occasionally updates the interface. Just look for the section labeled Settings or something similar. Next, in the left sidebar, click Business Portfolio Info. In some versions, this is labeled Business Info. Both take you to the same place, the area that stores your official business details. Inside this page, locate the Business Details section. You'll see your current business name and other identifying information. Click Edit to make changes. In the name field, type your new business name exactly as you want it to appear. Take a moment to double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing. Keeping your name consistent with your legal or publicly recognized brand can help with verification and prevent confusion across pages, ad accounts, and assets. Also, be aware that names must follow Meta's policies. Avoid special characters or formatting that might be flagged. When you're confident the name is correct, click Save. The change should take effect right away in the dashboard, though it can take a little time to update everywhere in the ecosystem. If you manage multiple pages or profiles under this business, the new name will help unify your brand identity across tools and reports. That's it. You've successfully changed your business name in Meta Business Suite, quickly and correctly, without missing any crucial settings.